Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick and simple way to hide your current experience details on LinkedIn when using the app on your PC. If you've recently noticed some changes on the platform with the new update, don't worry. I'll show you step by step how to manage what others can see on your profile so you stay in control of your privacy. First, open the LinkedIn app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account to begin. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon, which represents your profile. Click on it to access your personal settings and account options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option that says View Profile. This will take you directly to your own profile page, where all your information, including your career history and experience, is displayed. On the right-hand side of your profile page, you'll notice a section labeled Public Profile and URL. Right next to it, there's a small edit icon. Go ahead and click on that edit icon to open up the customization options for what you want to make visible or hidden from the public view of your LinkedIn profile. Once you're inside the editing settings, scroll down a little until you see the option for your current experience. Under this section, you'll find an option called Details. By default, LinkedIn usually keeps this enabled, which means visitors to your profile can view your ongoing job details as part of the public version of your page. To hide this information, simply disable or toggle off the Details setting under Current Experience. Doing this ensures that specific details about your current job will no longer be visible to others when they look at your public profile. And that's it. By following these quick steps, you maintain greater control over your presence on LinkedIn. Whether you're exploring new opportunities, maintaining privacy, or simply refreshing your professional image, hiding your current experience details can be a smart move. Thanks for watching.